Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Hello, it's me, I'm Alin. Hello guys, me and my friends were going to UFO village in Taiwan. This UFO village is located in Wanli, New Taipei City. So guys, bear with me. I will give you some brief story on this abandoned UFO village. This abandoned village, guys, it was started building in 1960. It was built by Americans who relocated here in Taiwan. So this house is made by fiberglass. Wow. As we see inside, in one unit, in one house, they have a complete amenities like living room, kitchen, comfort room. It was very nice inside as you look at the structure, but it was scary because it was very old, gloomy inside. The house is molds everywhere, so we just see and go away. So guys, this UFO houses, it was designed like a standing houses, so that the owner of the house, if he or she wants to move to another place, you can easily move the house. So guys, in 1973, the construction started because of the high cost of plastic, because this UFO house is made by fiberglass. So the high cost of plastic is high. That's why they stopped building these houses. So guys, after they abandoned these houses, the owner of these houses, UFO houses, go back to America, then never come back again in Taiwan. That's why it was abandoned until now. So it's very long time. Then that's how it looked like this today. So we just go there and see everything.